conducted by Darryl Hawkers. Thank you. Enjoy the show.
Midnight, Harlem. Once it was true. In 1932, Harlem's heartbeat was a drum beat. After midnight, early blue evening, lights ain't come on yet. From dawn till darkness, bread lines down the block, all across America, men on the street corner, waiting on something was never gonna come. But Harlem, after midnight, I can take that Harlem night and wrap around you. Take those neon lights and make a crown. Take the Lenox Avenue buses, taxis, subways, and for your love song, tone their rumble down. Early blue evening, lights ain't come on yet. I can take Harlem's heartbeat, make it a drum beat, put it on a record and let it whirl. And while we listen to it play, dance with you till day, where the booted and the unbooted play. Early blue evening, lights ain't come on yet. Look yonder, they coming on now.
another blues song. No, not in that kind of mood today, brother. I'm sick of love songs, loving love songs. I'm tired of tuning in on the crooners crooning about their broken hearts. I've got a new song, not a blues song. It's just a jingle, sets you all tingle every time it starts. The words and the melody, excuse me, are full of simplicity. To me, it's a rhapsody. When I sing, I got my trousers pressed, shoes shine, I have my coat and vest, I reline, take a look at my lapel, see the flower, can't you tell? I'm as happy as the day is long. I haven't got a dime to lend, I got a lot of time, hello, to spend. Just a pocket full there, feeling like a millionaire, cause I'm happy as the day is long. I got a heavy affair, and I'm having my fun. Am I walking on air? But I'm the lucky one. I got my peace of mind, not cool. Love is blind, that's good. Things I never see, never seem to worry me. So I'm happy as the day is long. Sit down.
fingers. What a world, what a life. I'm in love. I've got a song that I sing, and I can make the rainbow anytime I move my finger. Luckily, can you see I'm in love? Life's a beautiful thing. As long as I hold the string, I'll be singing so and so. If I ever let it go, I got the world on a string, sitting on a rainbow. Got the string around my finger. What a world, what a life. I'm in love.
Let me tell you something, you're going to need to hear this. Let this old girl scold you. Okay, fine, I'll tell you. Women, be wise and keep your mouth shut. Don't advertise a man like this after. Ooh, I like to go. Look at me. Don't sit around holding no conversation, explaining what a good man really can do. 'Cause these women nowadays, ooh, I hate to say it, I do, but they ain't no good. They'll laugh in your face, they'll try and steal your man from you. Women be wise, take my advice. Don't advertise your man. Okay, don't be no fool. Don't advertise your man. Oh no. Now, let me tell you this. You know your good girlfriend, she might look like a highbrow, changing her clothes 3-4 times a day. That's a telltale sign. Watch her. But what do you think she's doing now? Oh, she's doing now. While you're so far away, I'll tell you, she's a loving young man in your own damn bed. Call the doctor, you better off and going. Let him investigate your head. Ooh, you gotta be nice. You know, you just don't be shit yet. Just, I don't know, shut the fuck up. Don't advertise. I am a living witness. Don't advertise a man. Don't be just shut up! Don't advertise a man. Now listen here. Listen closely. Do not sit around and talk all your young chicks. Don't tell all your secrets. Bull came and John talking about what your good man said he was gonna do for you. But last week my girlfriend, Yolanda, came with a man to hear me sing.
let it rain.